In this video, I will show you how you can fix the slow charging problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Battery. From here just scroll down a bit and tap on Charging Settings. Now just make sure you enable the toggle for fast charging. Now if this option is already enabled, then just turn it off, and after that just go to your home screen and open the Quick Settings. Now in the Quick Settings, just tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now once your phone finishes restarting, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Battery, and from here just go back to the Charging Settings. Now just enable the toggle for fast charging. Now after you do that, you'll enable fast charging on your Samsung phone. Now to charge your Samsung phone, just make sure you use Samsung's official fast charger for your Samsung phone. If you have the Galaxy S26 Ultra, that phone supports 60-watt charging, so make sure you use Samsung's 60-watt charger. And if you have the S26 Plus, just use the 45-watt charger. And if you have the Galaxy S26, as I have over here, just use the 25-watt charger to charge your Samsung phone. If you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, not only it will slow down the charging speed, but it may damage your Samsung phone. So make sure you use the official Samsung charger to charge your Samsung phone. And also just check if your charger or your charging cable is damaged or not. If either of them is damaged, just replace it with a new charger. After that, just grab your Samsung phone and check the charging port of your Samsung phone. If you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just use a soft brush and clean the charging port. Then finally, there is one more thing. Avoid charging your phone when it is warm, because the charging speed will drop down when your phone gets warm. Also, do not use your phone while your phone is charging, because this will also lower down the charging speed and this can damage the battery of your Samsung phone. And after you do that, you will fix the slow charging problem on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.